Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, as you see, I'm in a different studio. This is actually Healthy Home Cooking Studio because mine's being updated. Today, we're going to unbox the iFootage or iFootage COBRA 3. Something I'm very excited about because sometimes you're in spaces that are a little tight and you can't quite get a full tripod in, but you need something a little better than just a little mini tripod. This is going to come in handy. And there is a couple of special things I want to show you about this on why I picked the COBRA 3. Let's get started. Open this up. Comes in a nice bag. And in another bag, it does have a carrying strap. Now, of course, it's tight right now, but you can actually take this on with you to hiking. Right. Nice little iFootage. Nice handle. Go ahead and unbuckle this. Unzip. That's a nice zipper. The inside, ooh, there's a little box. And what's in the box is, it looks like it's a little mount for a, oops, there we go, the screw mount. So what you do, you pop this in the top of the monopod, and then you can go ahead and screw in whatever attachment you need. So that's cool. We have silicone, don't eat it, certification, and a couple iFootage stickers, COBRA 3 user manual. Rah! And, ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. It even has straps on the inside so this thing won't rock around. That's cool. Anything else in here I need to talk about? Doesn't look like it. Ooh. On the inside, there's actually a small area. I'm not sure what we would put in there, but a small strip area of storage. I think that's it. And it does have a little thing in here that says push out. So I guess the top part of the monopod actually goes in that way. Ooh, this is pretty. And a little bit of weight on the end, but nothing that's too bad. It does have a hand strap up here. That's interesting. So you can take along with you. It does have, of course, a quick release. And then you push that back. Now, of course, you're not supposed to hold it upside down like I did, but you kind of get the idea. Well, that's interesting. I got to read the directions on what that thing is for. Screw mount on the bottom, tripod mount on the bottom. And look at this. Oh, has these little buttons on the side. You can release. It looks like it has a couple different detents here. That is really cool. Okay, and then this little lever here, you know how sometimes you want to do that little slow push in or slow pull out? This will help you do that. So this is, there we go. So slow out, push in. This is cool. So it has a pretty good amount of play in there. And then let's see if I let that go. Ooh, it clicks back to center. I like that. Now with this foot lever, you can also adjust how much tension is on it as you push this back and forth. And that's done very easily. I don't know if this is going to show up, but there's a plus and minus here, which all you have to do is, if you want less tension, move it to the left. If you want more tension, you move it to the right. Alrighty, and of course these is how you extend. Ooh, that's just one. This is awesome. And that has really good feel to them too. Like nice and solid. Whoa. Ooh, I was not expecting that. This thing's freaking long. Look at this. Holy cow. That's long. If you take off the bottom, which, just like the top, all you have to do is read the directions. Ooh. That was unexpected. Then, as you see, you have a place to put your attachment. And there you have a low boy. A little mini tripod. Already built in. And as you see, you have the foot lever. But in this case, you just put your hand on it. And you can go ahead and tilt it to whatever degree you need. Like so. That's cool. And then if you want to make sure it's straight, up and down, click. It clicks right back into place. A very versatile monopod. At least the other videos I've seen didn't tell you about this. If you slide this little plastic piece up, that pops off, and on the end there's your Allen wrench if you need to tighten any of these screws up. So it has a built-in Allen wrench. That's awesome. These guys thought of everything. So let's see exactly how we can get this thing in my studio and working.